I feel superhuman. I can hold up.
Yeah, I wrote a book called Relationship Rules, and because they have programming, I don't do anything to market it except have it on Amazon, and even at that, I don't do anything to push it on Amazon. But it was I worked for John Gray, the author of the Mars Venus books, back in his heyday, and he had it on his website. And last year, and after I did the 7 Steps year before, I had my biggest book sales since my book came out in 2007. So
all you did was clear things. You didn't do any marketing?
Didn't do any marketing.
You just cleared stuff. Then all of a sudden you get all these book sales.
Yeah, and I did your More Money course, and I don't worry about money anymore. But when you talked about how, money's trying to come to you, there's just this pipeline of money that's trying to get to you, and you're just clogging the pipe, and you just have to take the gunk out of the pipe and it'll come. That's so true, because it's not... doing wrong and not checking. I'm like, crap. It's the pipeline. And so that was hugely... I tell people that all the time, because...
The results and benefits of our training are only available to members of our private association. To learn more, call 877-680-8200 or visit TotalHealthMasteryUSA.com/7 steps.